Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedgen Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. So let's see what's going on here. Yesterday we left with this. We had completed an ABCDE, price breached and broke out of the top line of the triangle, of the ABCD triangle. And then I had forward discerned and projected maybe another ABCDE going on here. And if that's the case, it should have been done by now. So let's zoom in on this a little bit. The 13908 was breached. Put a check mark on that target. So what I'm going to do is remove these for now to get a better, oops, not that one. So actually let's go back to this one. So it's working on 1 and working on 2, wave 2. It is a corrective wave. How do I know this is corrective wave? This has a lot of overlap. So this will be ABC A, ABC B, and we're working on C. So this is a very classic vintage flat 335. A, B, C. And what this means is that this ABC 3 waves. So if A only has 3 waves, so you can call this as a regular flat. So instead of doing the triangle, it now wants to do a regular flat, ABC. So it's got 3, 3, 5. The B terminates at about the same origination of the A, close to it, and the C goes slightly bit lower than the start of A, end of A. So that will be labeled as regular flat, obviously. Now, A has 3 subwaves, A, B, C. B has 3 subwaves, A, B, C, as you can see. A, B, C for A, B, C for B. C wave, however, always has 5 subwaves. And for that, this is a 1 hour chart. I'm going to go maybe a 30-minute chart so I can see more details. And if it has 5 waves, it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more lower low. Okay. Get a degree of trend set up, which I quite often myself forget to set. It's okay. It doesn't necessarily affect the call. Just the nomenclature and chart labeling should be done correctly. Therefore, if this is ABC, A has ABC 3 waves, 3, 3, 5. B has ABC 3 waves, and C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe we will go back down near to where it broke out, and that is very common. 13912. This here. So 13912, it is where I have the end of wave 5. And after that, it should start impulsing back up again. That's the expectation. Well, actually, I already have that. I lost my labeling for my Elliott waves. Okay. No, I didn't lose it. I just took the lines away. There you go. Perfect. So let's see what happens during the day today, and see if this gets put in. Now, is there a chance that this 3 is already 5, that the C is done? Yes, and it can still go up. That's my alternate count. So this is my primary count. But based on if it was like this, it just would be a little out of, the form and fit wouldn't look so good on a 5-wave impulse. I think we still have one more lower low to go. And I can just tell you, I mean, most likely people are freaking out from this. The one question that people should not be asking me is, should I sell or should I buy? When should I sell or when should I buy? Those must be self-made decisions. I cannot make that decision for you. I can provide you my analysis. But I keep getting emails asking me, should I sell now? Should I buy now? No, those are not the right questions to be asking me. Those must become self-made decisions. Those decisions cannot be made for you. Then you shouldn't be doing this. Blind following is not the intent of this blog. The intent of this blog is to provide you analysis so that you can augment your due diligence. That is the primary point of this analysis. It is not an analysis to tell you what to do, when to buy and what to buy. No. Not at all. It is an analysis to augment your own due diligence. I just want to make that clear, as it also states it in my disclaimer at the end of each and every blog. So I believe we may see one more lower low, like $23,000, $23,500 or so target is still solid. Let's see how the price takes during the day. One more lower low, and we should start rising back up. There are quite a few of you who have already taken some coaching lessons from me, where I teach my method. And if you would like to do the same, then perhaps you can give me a shout out at my email. Please don't send me, are there any other questions here besides inquiry regarding how to set up a coaching? I'll be happy to see if I can help truncate your learning curve towards being able to be proficient in doing your own analysis using Elliott waves and chart pattern recognition. And I look forward to an opportunity of helping. Okay, thank you and have a great day.